ako. At may announcement po tayo, no? Sana supportahan natin yung mga susunod na officers at yung ating basketball team sa January na po sila magkakaroon ng.
Thank you sa lahat sa pagbibigay nyo ng tribute dun sa mga teachers. So, hindi yan makakalimutan at yan makakarating doon sa iba. Kasi lahat ng nagiging reunion, walang ganon, ngayon lang sila nakatikim. So, I'm very, very glad na talagang organize naman kayo at maraming nakarating, sana susunod. Mas marami pa at sana magkaisa tayo. Support the basketball team, please. And we should be always one at heart, one at mind, one in spirit. Good night, everyone. Sana na-enjoy nyo ng totoo yung ating night. And I enjoyed being with you as an advisor. And I thank you very much for that.